Hi, it's Annie from Thursday Pools. We've been collecting the most common questions people have when looking into a pool purchase. Here is question 9 in our series. Which type of pool is best for dogs who like to swim? Fiberglass pools are durable enough that you don't have to worry about their nails scratching the pool shell. Also, the multiple entry and exit points make it easy for your furry friends to get in and out of the pool so they aren't pawing at the wall. The shallow lounging areas and beach entries make great spots for dogs to be able to ease into the water and cool off. If they are water lovers, they'll be right at home. So that's that. There was a pretty clear answer for that one. If after talking to a dealer you have any questions about fiberglass pools, visit us at thursdaypools.com.